Hi, Cosmo Barbaro with Cosmo Barbaro Furniture, and I just want to talk to you and show you how I cut these mortises out. I'm going to use a machine right here called a panto router, and it works off of templates that they provide. And in this case, I've got them stacked up in a double on top, one on top of the other. I have a video where I talk about mortise and tenons and show you this, and then I have another video where I cut the male part of the mortise and tenons. Here we're going to cut the female parts. So the stylus references in here, and that references the bit. It's a 4-flute cutter, and this machine does a very nice job. It's only limited by your imagination. In my opinion, the best machine out there would be something called a multi-router. But this does a very good job. It's much less expensive. It is, in my opinion, it's fantastic. So I'm going to show you how I cut this, and I want to bring you around and show you where the cutter is real quick. Bring you down here, and I'll show you. Here's the stylus pin right there, and here is the cutter right there. And I'm going to, and as I plunge the cutter in, I'm going to start cutting these mortises. So I'm going to set the camera back up and show you how I do this and show you the movement with my arms as I'm operating the machine. And I'll have to change the stylus over from this guy to this guy in mid-cut, and that's not a big deal. And I've got my depth and everything set, so I'm ready to cut. And let me show you how this works. A second here to get the camera set up. There we go. Get my respirator on. And the vacuum's going to run when I cut this. Drop this down out of the way so I don't get cut. Take this part out and show you what it looks like. And there you go, very nice. Look at how clean that is. Thanks for watching.